another episode of Coco's Kitchen. If you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe now. Like the video and comment. Today we're going to be making Kool-Aid cups. So with this recipe, of course, you're going to need some Kool-Aid. We're using strawberry and peach mango. Now you can put fruit in here like canned pineapple chunks. You can use those gummy apricot rings. You can use strawberries or whatever you want to, or you don't even have to use anything and just make regular Kool-Aid cups without anything in it. You're going to need sugar, of course, and you're going to have water. So when we come back, we're going to start, and I have a special guest who's going to be helping me out today, my favorite nephew.